Hey yo, what's going on, guys? I am back with news and amazing news. I presented you a couple of weeks ago, actually a month ago. I presented you my strategy going on eToro and withdrawing the money from Robinhood, going into eToro and sticking into gold and use leverage. Now, everything I've said and everything I say and everything that I will say is no financial advice. So if you don't know how to use leverage, do not use it. I personally know, and I'm going to present you the results in a month what I have done. So, welcome back. I hope everyone is well. I hope you're having a fantastic Thursday. And tomorrow is Friday, and we're about to end the week with, as you have seen it, gold on all time highs, silver on all time highs, stock market on all time highs. I'm going to explain my fears and my thoughts about everything, and as well, I'm going to discuss about gold especially. So, it feels like I've been busy. I've been busy with work. I've been busy generally in life and everything. But at the same time, with trading and trying to get into the next step. So I have to apologize that I've been gone for over I've been like 3 weeks ago. It was my last video, and that's why I'm not going live right now. And I'm going to make the video because I think this is a necessary video. But mainly, I've been creating live shows every single almost week. The last live video was 4 days ago, and it feels like a century already. So I won't lie, I've been drained. Like my energy level was really low, but I was keep going. But I couldn't bring you guys something, right? I don't want to bring fake news or anything like that. There's no point of me going on a video and saying the government shut down. What can I show you by that, right? Um, so let's jump into the main screen and discuss a few things. This is our guy opening the doors again. This is me. Oh, I don't know why I have the podcast. 1 second, guys. Bear with me, bear with me. There we go. So, I'm sorry about that. I forgot it from my last podcast. So, as you can see, gold is on all-time highs. It did a retest at $4,041. It went today to $4,057, and it came straight back down, right? Why I'm not expecting gold to be down. Now, I'm going to share you what I have done this 3 weeks, almost a month, and what I have earned and what I have lost. I want to be honest and I want to have transparency, so I'm not going to create a positive bubble when I make mistakes myself. But the main thing is your profits always have to be higher than your losses. So as you know, I had lost $1,500 almost 3 years ago from the period of 2023, 2024, and yes, mid 2022's up mid 2024. So that's in terms of what I have done, it was 2 years, 2 years and a half, and then the other half I took a pause and I started reading more and updating my skills on trading. So right now I am proud to say that the hard work started paying off. I started making $200 every single day and then $500 every day almost. That was the last week, and I reached to a point earning in 2 weeks $1,500 and $1,000. So what I'm going to present you is that I've reached up to $6,300 from $1,500, and that's only in a month, right? It sounds good, right? It sounds like paradise, easy. It's not. And that's why I said I was drained, because I had to sacrifice sleep. I had to be awake when the gold market is opening at 11 p.m. Every single day. Then I was sleeping during the afternoon for a couple of hours, 3 hours tops, and then in the morning back at work. So I was drained. My energy level was zero, and but I'm going to show you the numbers as well, because let's be honest, right? Without facts, why would you believe me, right? And this is why I'm going to show you every single number that I had earned. And until recently, yesterday, I was at work and I went on my break and I saw my account 14,000 something dollars, $14,050, I think, down. And despite that, I had a lot ahead, right? So my stop loss wouldn't hit. I kind of lost it there, and my fear overcame my trading skills, my technical analysis, and everything. Right? We make mistakes, we progress as long as we identify what was the issue. So the issue was me being impatient, and what happened when I took the loss and I lost 2 grand. So the first loss was $1,400, $1,450, let's say. And after that, I started making mistake after mistake, right? I was earning a little bit, like $50, $60, and then I was selling at minus $200, 250, something like that. I can't remember. I'm gonna show you. And what I did, I was like, hey, you know what? You start messing it up. You need to just take a step back, right? Relax and come back stronger. So I did. So right now, have no problem. My account is, I already took the loss of $2,000. So from $6,300, back into $4,200. My first goal was achieved in 2 days, $3,000. And my second goal of $5,000 was achieved before even December, because I said December it was going to be hit, and I hit it in after 2 days. So between a week, I made $4,700, right? And you can see that it took a lot of energy away from me. Had to sacrifice sleep. So don't see it as, oh, he earned so much money in a week. Wow. Okay, he can easily make money, right? But don't see it that way, please. See it as the sacrifices that I had to make, the sleep that I had to lose, the constant trading and everything, right? I had to control myself. I had to be disciplined and everything. And I saw that, you know what? You will never be 100% disciplined until you make the mistakes. So I did the mistake, and now I am back closer towards the 100% discipline and patience, right? So as we can see here, gold is coming down, but gold went straight up from 3,896 between 3 days to a 4,041 and even higher, right? This mind-blowing, right? That proves me one thing, guys. If gold is going up so fast, it means the economy is not great. There is going to be a fear of war. There's going to be a fear of something terrible is going to happen. When I decided to go to gold, I had gathered all my information that I needed. I studied about the global economy. I studied about depression, recession, repo market, everything. And I presented you guys, if you remember. And if you don't, there's going to be a link down below here from the playlist. And please go watch the titles. It's 4 videos that it says must watch depression, must watch recession, must watch repo market, and must watch the final one, and it's the 4th. It's about gold and silver, and I presented there why it has value, where do I see it going, and why I'm taking partially my money from Robinhood and put them into eToro so I can buy gold with 20 times leverage, right? Again, I do not suggest you to start with leverage or margin if you don't actually know what it's doing and what it is and how you can control it. So that's why I said I don't give financial advices. I'm here to present you my journey and what I do, and hopefully people can be inspired, motivated, gather information from me or anything like that, right? Because it's nice for me to make it, but it's even more amazing for seeing uh, other people making it, right? So that's all I have to say about that. So as we can see, gold is going up constantly. Today it's a red day after so many days, right? And does that scare me? No, not at all, right? So silver is already at it was $50 and right now it's $49.79. And absolutely, they will come back down, but it's so great opportunity that I missed it because I messed it up. That I could wait until the gold price comes down towards the price that I had bought. I bought at around 3,995, if I remember correctly, and I could wait and not lose that 2 grand, right? And only lose $14, and then straight buy back at $4,001 and make at least 2.5K today. But it's not about what if I've done that or what would I do, or it's not hypothetical, right? It happened, done, identify the problem and come back stronger. And that's what I am about to do. So let me present you about what's happening. So here is my live trade right now. You can see it here that the total loss is $948 and it goes up and down, up and down, up and down. I don't really mind anymore, but I'm going to show you here my portfolio. There you go. That's when everything started collapsing for me. So as you can see, I lost $20.64, $496.76. I gained $66.08, lost $155.45. Apologies. And as you can see, that was my last trade when I realized, you know what? Oh, hold on a minute. You lost $1,452, right? In a single day. And then straight away, you gained $29.96 and then you lost $155.45. But what really made me realize the mistakes that I've done yesterday, it was this. I'm like, hey, third red trade? Come on. What are you doing? So just to present you guys that you might think that, oh, he doesn't know what he's doing. Wait. So here is my total number, what I had, 6,240, and that's when I messed it up. My first mistake, my second mistake, and my third mistake. But look at all these green trades that I had constantly for over 25 days. Look at that. And it keeps going down, right? I lost $102 or what, right? I was already like, at that point, 2,940. And I went to 2,840. 2,838 actually. And then I went straight back up to 6,000, wait a second, 6,240. So my profits were even more than what I lost. I lost only $100. So look at all these green trades, right? So that to me proves me that I knew what I was doing, right? Look at all these, right? So even $3, I'm cool with it. Even $65, even $18. You gather small amounts, you make a good profit. So in a day, I was gathering $200, $250, $500, and then started booming. Like I was going crazy. Like $500, $1,000, 1,000 and a half dollars, right? So I messed it up, and that's okay. But what I'm trying to say, guys, is that I had a reason why I went to gold, and I presented, right, on 4 videos of a chapter 1, and the title was Must Watch. Now, Alex, it's okay. From 1500, you went to 6,240. Perfect. You lost 2,000. You've done an amazing job, right? People might say, other people might focus into, oh, you lost, so you're not who you are. I don't mind about that. My profits are talking, and my strategy is talking, and my goals and my achievements are talking. I don't have to try to convince. I don't need to convince anyone. I'm just here to share my journey and share my opinions and my knowledge and everything, and absolutely to learn from each other. So gold is going up, but at the same time, we've got stock market going up and reaching all the time into all-time highs. Like what the actual, right? So the market right now, and I said it a month ago, I'm taking my money away because I don't trust the market. We are moving by greed, and greed to people like me, like you, like other people that we actually know what we are doing. You can see that that scares us, right? You go like, is it a good time to invest right now? Like everything is on all-time high. What if something happens and boom, 30, 40, 50% down? What are you gonna do? You lose money. So I prefer to lose opportunity trying to find another opportunity. So gold is an amazing opportunity for me. And even though that I missed the all-time highs, the new all-time highs from the stock market, they wouldn't give me the money that I gained into less than a month, right? So that's all I want to share. Again, be mindful, be careful. If anyone's telling you like, oh, it's a great buy, turn around and say to them, put your money where your mouth is and just prove it to me. You see my numbers. You see that I'm trying to prove my words, and I have to, right? I'm giving facts. And it's not because I have to do it or if people believe me or anything like that. I'm basically sharing a little bit of information there, right? So the market is moving by greed right now, uncertainty, right? And you can hear, I had so many conversations lately, and I'm sticking to it. Time is money, and I'm just gonna stick with it. And they were telling me like, oh no, cutting rates is going to be great, and I'm like, what are you on about? What are you on about? Like cutting rates is going to be great. Why? The stock market is moving every single day by pure greed, by pure uncertainty. Wall Street is doing whatever they want, and you just gonna fall for that trap. Right? Let me break it down. Inflation going up higher than before, and the debt that USA has is going massively up. China massively up. Japan, Europe, everyone. If you guys search about the debt, the global debt, it's crazy numbers. And you are going to tell me like, oh yeah, having rate cuts is great. No, it's not. You're printing money. You're putting your country more in debt, right? Then because the stock market is going all-time high, that tells you that the economy of the country is great. No, it's not. That's whoever told you that, that's fake, right? The stock market is not telling you what the economy is of a country, right? Data is telling you, and I have the data, and you can find them. Just type in USA debt, and you can see that it's already at 37, 38 trillion dollars. Japan, China, Europe, right? So it's not good printing money. It's not good having rate cuts. Let me explain that why. Inflation is going up. Having rate cuts is inflationary. And I'm going to say that on this video again. Tariffs, inflationary. So where do you see, and I'm not talking right now to you guys, it's just my way of talking. I'm using second person um, to talk. And I said to that guy, anyways, let's go back to the guy. And I said to him, tell me, where do you see good at it? And he couldn't say. He couldn't. He was like, oh, yeah, but I saw a video. And I'm like, they want you to hear that. They want you to fall to that trap. I'm not. I'm telling you, I'm into gold. That should prove to you, why is he in the most, in one of the most precious metals, earth metals? Why? What does he know? Like, make the right questions, right? And I'm going to discuss more about gold because I think that's valuable. And you can see right now that gold is at 3,900. Well, 3,990. You can see that, right? It's going down, as you can see. So it passed the support level that I had for the trading. But let's discuss a little bit about it here. Am I expecting gold to hit 3,985, which is the support level? Yes, a great retest, right? If I had the money right now to rebuy, I would, if I didn't make the mistake, right? But people make mistake. Don't judge them because of the mistake. Learn from their mistake. So learn what I failed to do, right? And not failed. I'm not gonna say failed. I'm still in profit, right? I make more money than my actual work gives me. So is that gonna be every single day, every single month? No, absolutely not. I'm not here to lie or present fake news. But look, that's really healthy because coming down, more and more are finding the opportunity to buy and then go back up again, right? You can, like, look at the EMA, the EMA 10. Look at the EMA 50, right? All showing up, right? So I'm waiting. If it retests the 3,985, it will come back stronger. If it breaks below it, it will go towards the 3,958. I'm cool with it. So I don't mind about it. And so yeah, go back to that conversation. He didn't know what to answer because I presented him three facts. Having rate cuts is inflationary. Having tariffs is inflationary. They're printing money. It's debt, right? Towards this country, USA, right? And not only USA, everyone is printing money. And we are thinking like, oh, it's good, yeah. It's not. Who's gonna pay for this debt? Taxpayers, pensions, everything like that. Do you think that the government is gonna pay it back? No, the people will pay it back. So I know you guys and many people who will watch this video might not like it, but I'm not here to come and say, oh yeah, you know what, Nvidia tomorrow $1,000. I'm not here to do that. I'm here to present you some really valuable things that I have learned, and it took me 11 years to learn things. Every single year I was learning more and more and more and more every day, every hour, right? So I'm only gonna say this as a last thing. Remember, just because the stock market is moving up and all-time highs doesn't mean that it can't be a manipulation. Doesn't mean that it makes sense. It doesn't. It's pure greed. It's pure manipulation. So if you think, and I really suggest, if you see this video, do some research and come back to me and prove me wrong. And say, I don't know, actually, there you go, the question. Find me a reason why the stock market is moving up when it's on greed, right? Find me a reason why the stock market is going up to all-time highs and more all-time highs and more all-time highs. Find me a reason how this makes sense and come back to me. I will honestly, whoever comes back to me, I don't want you to be scared or anything like that to challenge me. I love getting challenged because that's how I learn if I'm mistaken or anything like that. And if you want, put it down on the comment section down below the video and let me know what you guys think with a reason why the stock market is moving up. Like, how does this make sense, right? And I wish you all well. I wish you happy profits. I'm gonna name it happy profits because we are feeling good when we're making profits. So I'm wishing you all well. I'm wishing you happy profits, and can't wait to see the questions. If you think that this video is valuable, please do subscribe so you won't lose any videos coming up next and any live streams that I'm going to be doing. I want you guys to start engaging, putting comments, start messaging. That will be amazing, honestly. And with this way, we can grow this channel and this community and everything. And also hit the like button. Give me a thumbs up if you think that, you know what, this guy is not fake. He's not telling us where to invest. He's not telling us prices. He's not telling us things. Everything I say, I'm trying to provide information about it. Like, I'm giving you support levels, resistances, and everything. And I'm not trying to sell anything, right? Obviously, we've got the merch website, which for my clothes, at least right now, some of my members have bought. I am going to buy because the money are going towards a charity, and I want to raise first this money and give them straight away to the charity. I'm not gonna have any gain at all. I'm not even having now any gain, right? I'm counting on my tradings. I'm not trying to, like, live from YouTube or anything like that. I'm just here as a guy trying to show you my journey, what I do wrong, what I do correct, trying to share a few information and learn from each other, and the rest things are going to follow. I don't have any issues with that, and the charities, absolutely, it's a goal since I was a kid. I wanted to help as many as possible, and there isn't any greater way to do it by here, by motivating, by having really nice conversations and debates, and everything else. I mean, subscribe and you will find out if I'm a liar, if I'm a fake person. Be my guest, but I'm not. I'm not gonna give that chance to anyone because I hate lying and I hate faking. So this is me signing off as a finite to freedom. My name is Alex. Welcome back on this video and on the rest. Hope you enjoy your day, and hopefully I will see you on this journey. Please come aboard. So have a good rest. Have a good night. Take care of yourselves, guys. Bye bye.